Now shifting focus on the story that we are tracking coming from the state of Maharashtra, where the Bombay High Court has refused to grant urgent relief to former ICICI Bank CEO and MD Chanda Kochhar and her husband Deepak Kochhar. The duo had moved the court claiming illegal arrest by the CBI in the case related to the alleged irregularities in loan provided by Venugopal Dhoot's Videocon Group. They had stated that they were arrested without prior sanction under Prevention of Corruption Act. While refusing to intervene in the matter, the High Court directed Kochhars to appeal in regular court on 2nd January. Colleague Shweta is joining me live to get us more details. Shweta, it appears that the Bombay High Court has decided not to grant any relief to the former ICICI Bank's MD, Chanda Kochhar, and her husband. Does it mean it's the end of the road for them?
Well, if we just see it from legal point of view, this was a kind of very precedented move what Kochhars had did today early in the morning in the Bombay High Court. They approached and had appealed. In fact, there was a challenging they did from their legal counsel when it comes to the FIR lodged by the CBI and called it as an illegal arrest. But here, what's more important to observe here is Bombay High Court had rejected to grant them any kind of interim relief, stating that on the grounds that you have to reach out to the regular court, appeal there and then come, because it is very important because already CBI has taken their custody. Kochhars, the duo is already into the custody of CBI, and interrogation, the custodial interrogation is taking place. Primarily, if we see, the duo was arrested on Saturday, and yesterday, third arrest, which was again a major arrest, was made in the entire case of ICICI Bank and Videocon Group fraud loan case. And here, very pointing out clearly in the court, also CBI had set out this before, that they need a confrontation, and this is the reason why this arrest has been made. And then the confrontation, the cross-examination of the questioning would be done by making all of them three sit together so that they can resolve the case as soon as possible. So on the grounds that they have to appeal to the regular court, Bombay High Court had rejected to grant them any kind of interim relief. So yes, this is a kind of a major setback for the Kochhars, but keeping in mind that their defense lawyer also stated one very important point in the court, that on 15th of January, Kochhars have their son's wedding, and CBI's move before the wedding is something more questionable. But here we see that a major setback for the Kochhars, where Bombay High Court they have not given them any kind of relief. And again, this will be important that tomorrow the custody from the CBI ends for the Kochhar as well as for VN Doot. Tomorrow it will be again an important day to see whether the custody extension is being done after the hearing or not. Back to you.
And we'll be keeping a close watch on that developing story. Thank you, Shweta, for getting us all those details on the story.